A defined and rich product detail page is essential to driving sales not just on Amazon, but on any e-commerce marketplace. While advertising can bring in more traffic and visibility, a well-established product detail page is what will push for higher click-through rate and conversions. I'm Matilda from Perpetua, and this is Growth 101. There are 5 ways to optimize your product detail page on Amazon. Let's dive right in. Number 1, provide clear and concise content. Since shoppers can't touch the product before purchasing it online, make sure your PDP has an accurate product title, bullet features, and product description. The title should be 150 characters, which should include your brand name, product name, key differentiating attributes, and quantity. Make sure you begin each word with a capital letter and the structure of the title stays consistent throughout all your products. In the bullet features, highlight product details that shoppers have an interest in, such as size, material, functionality, and other features worth noting. Use the description to expand on product details and capabilities. This is a perfect place to tell the story either about the brand or product and connect with your target audience. Doing a good job choosing your title, bullet features, and description will also help with the ratings and reviews. Number 2, have high quality images. Good images help shoppers to evaluate the product, and it also has a large impact on product performance. It's crucial that a listing has at least 4 to 5 images and a video to best showcase the product. Images should be clear, informative, and attractive. The main image must show only the product for sale on a white background following Amazon's image style guide. Having a clear main image is especially important because it is the first thing that shoppers will see when they're browsing. The rest of the images should show the product in use or in an environment, highlighting different angles and different features. Number 3, leverage Q&As and reviews. Review customers' feedback on your products and make sure to address them right away. Leverage insights from product reviews and FAQs and add them into your bullet features to help shoppers in their buying decisions. For example, let's suppose the listing of a shoe you're selling received several reviews about the size being too big. To address that, you can add information about sizing into the bullet features, advising shoppers to size down upon purchase in a compelling way. Number 4, use SEO keywords. By developing a strong SEO strategy, you can improve product discoverability for your listings. You can do so by including search-dominant, relevant keywords on the front end to your title, bullet features, A+ content, as well as on the back end. To perform a search at scale, Amazon's search engine and algorithm known as A9 determine which items are the most optimal matches with the customer's query and then rank them based on the item's level of relevancy to the consumer. Let me give you an example. If it's important for your listing to organically rank high on search terms like acne patches, pimple patches, and spot treatments, make sure to include them throughout your title, bullet features, product description, and A+ content page. Amazon also gives you the chance to add hidden keywords to your product listings. Even though they're not displayed, these keywords are extremely useful for optimizing your search results. Ensure the important terms are included here as well. Number 5, A+ content. Amazon's A+ content is a free service for registered brands that enables sellers to enhance their product detail pages. With A+ content, you can include multimedia content, more lifestyle images, and comparison charts to highlight features you weren't able to in your bullet points and product description. A+ content also allows you to link shoppers to your other product listings, allowing you to cross-sell or upsell. That's it for this video. Tell me in the comments, are you following all these tips in your PDPs? To learn more about how to optimize your Amazon product detail page, you can check the post in our blog in the description below, or you can email us at hello@perpetua.io.